Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are talking about El Salto del Limon, a waterfall near us in Las Terrenas that we went to last week. It's a beautiful waterfall that is well worth going to visit. Just a short trip for us from Las Terrenas, and there's really no information about it anywhere. So hopefully this video can be helpful if you want to go. If it's not, it's just a pretty video for you guys to watch. We were lucky enough to have a local Pipiolo, who's our friend here in Las Terrenas from Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. He took us, or he was our guide, which is really helpful for us because it's a trap here and everywhere you go that if there's something that's kind of touristy, people are going to try and take advantage of you. And to Las Terrenas, El Salto Del Limon, it's no different. In fact, like 3 people that passed us on our way to El Salto Del Limon, like literally on their scooters, drove next to us to try and offer us their services in helping us get there. Obviously we didn't need them because we had Pipiolo, and so we were lucky to do that. I'd advise going with a local if you can. If you can't, maybe get some sort of service beforehand, but just not really worth it. I think you can easily, even hopefully just watching this video, you can go alone. In fact, if you go to El Salto Del Limon after watching this video, drop a comment in the below and let me know. The other cool thing about going with a local is that he kept jumping the barriers and giving us local foods. There was what was there, passion fruits and avocados. He kept fueling us for our journey. Not overly necessary. I mean, having a guide overall is not overly necessary because the road is fairly simple. Once you know where to start, you just follow the road up. It's fairly hilly, but it only took us about 40 minutes, and that was hard for us because we'd just finished leg day. Did squats the day before, so it wasn't advisable to do that, but it's a fairly easy hike, and for anyone that's done a hike before, I mean, Pipiolo went using his flip-flops, so I mean it's very easy for you to do. It's not a tough hike, and the waterfall is well worth it. On the way you'll find a couple of mini waterfalls that you could be happy enough just to visit those and then go home and think that was a worthwhile trip. However, if you go a little bit further, if you keep pushing on, you'll come to like a little mini village. They'll charge you 50 pesos, I think, which is like $1. And then you walk down some steps and you find El Salto del Limon, the actual waterfall itself. Locals that are doing cliff diving on little treks that are around the waterfall itself. You can swim all the way through underneath the waterfall, as I did. Just beware that the little lake itself, there's no salt. It's not salt water, so you don't float at all. You're going to naturally sink. So should be a decent enough swimmer, but just get into the really nice, cool water and enjoy the view. This place was just 20 minutes from Las Terrenas. If you're staying here, definitely worth the visit. We might go back, I'm not really sure, but I think it was a great time. And if you guys go visit El Salto del Limon from Las Terrenas, let me know in the comments, because this place, the views here, the tourist attractions here that aren't really tourist attractions, they're just beautiful features that you should go and see, and they don't have any tourists. Like, I'd like to see people go into this place because we found no information about Las Terrenas. We found barely any information about El Salto del Limon, particularly not in English, and we do think it's a place that is beautiful and should be appreciated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe for more videos on Las Terrenas and my traveling, and just to see more videos like this. Give it a thumbs up, really does help out this small growing channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.